Welcome back to the bench, and today we got this Midas M32. I find it easier to work on if you stand it up. You've only got to take out one power cable and a flat ribbon. So this main ribbon cable, which is going to the front of the desk, is held in by this plastic clamp. And it's an FCP connector. Got the screws there. And you just have to lift the bracket up and the cable can come out. I like to slide the housing off the cable so its weight doesn't damage the flexi cable, and then you can unhook it from its little hooks at the bottom, and that way we have easy access to the faders. Now I'll see if I can get this on camera. Someone had, looks like, emptied a hand cleaning product in here, and those bottom faders, you can see there's glumps of moisture. So I'm going to need to actually take all 8 out. They're reported to have bus 2 not working, but all 8 are going to have to come out. So it's going to be difficult to film, so my plan is to just remove one by one, starting from the top and work down. That way I have easy access to the screws and everything. Actually, change of plan there. I was just starting to unscrew them and I noticed there was like that screw in the middle. So I think I might just need to take out 6 screws and take the whole lot out as a bank of 8. Okay, I've taken all the fader caps off that bank. And if you can see, there's that gunk everywhere. So I guess I'm going to wipe down all outside areas first, and then see how I'm going to tackle the centre section, because no doubt that took the brunt of it. But let's get off what we can. IPA. I'm going to let gravity do its thing now. I've tried to spray any gunk out of the sliders. So we'll let gravity do its thing and probably repeat this process 2 or 3 times. After cleaning it with the alcohol, I'll use some lubricant cleaner. It's quite intricate cleaning these things. There's these top bits here which had to be cleaned all out, and I think I've got it looking good now. No gunk anywhere. I guess I'll stick it back in and see if we've broken it. Oh, we're not out the woods yet. I don't know if you can see that master fader is going to need to be taken out and cleaned as well. Okay, quite a scary moment. Okay, moment of truth. I haven't screwed it back up yet. just in case. But will she boot? Good sign. So these are the faders that got hit hard, and this master fader. They're working great. And they're all moving at the same speed. Awesome. Let me screw it back together.